Okay, guys, on the 12th of March, a fighter jet belonging to the Indian Air Force has crashed while participating in a training exercise. It has happened around the 12th of March this year. A fighter jet with the name of Tejas, which was built by the Hindustan Aeronautics, crashed in India while participating in a training exercise. You can see the debris on fire over there. Okay, the airplane is Tejas. It was an airplane built by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which is in India, and it has crashed while participating in a training exercise. The pilot was able to eject safely. Okay, the pilot, it should be there somewhere. The pilot was able to eject safely. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you can read it there. Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you. I knew something like that will happen like 1.5 months, a bit over 1.5 months before. I dreamed that on the 26th of January. Title is Fighter Jet Crash, and I'll let you guys read the rest. I knew it, something like that will happen in India. I wrote it there. I think it will happen while taking off from an aircraft carrier. In fact, it was not on an aircraft carrier. It was participating it on a training exercise over land. Okay, over India itself. It was not on an aircraft carrier. But I knew, guys, something like that will happen. An Indian Air Force fighter jet will crash. It has happened. But also, what I get wrong in my dream, I saw the pilot will eject but will later die. But he did not, thanks God, he did not die. So that was good, but otherwise, I get pretty much everything was there. I have seen the pilot ejecting, but in my dream, I thought he will die. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it.